Well, today we're going to deal with that. Bleeds back down. Tried adding some fluid to it. Ain't working. It's dead. So we went to town. And we went to Harbor Freight. And we bought ourselves an 8-ton. We're going to swap them out. And I've already got the air compressors on. And we're going to see how they do. Now, it's a pretty simple procedure. It's just a 15/16 bolt there and a 15/16 bolt here, and just loosen them off, and we're going to pull this thing out. Yep, she did. Hey, if you're here right now, smash that like button. It's right down here somewhere. You know it's right around there somewhere. You know you want to. You know you want to. Smash it. Now that was pretty mechanically as simple as they get, but now let's put the air to it and see what it does. I'm curious. If you're doing this by yourself, that's gonna be handy. I like that. Yeah, I gotta give this thumbs up now. I gotta move that. I gotta move the bed off the trailer onto the saw horses in here, and we're gonna use this to do it. I'm gonna see how it works, and I'll bring you along for that one too. But I'm already liking that. Okay. And when you unhook it, it doesn't bleed off. So air assisted, I think I'm gonna like this. Good old, better than a good old tick, 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 tick. Yeah. And doesn't seem to be, you know how in a chair picker where it bounces once you start really yanking on it and cranking and it gets heavy and gets up there? It doesn't seem to be doing that. Doesn't seem like it's bouncing like you would if you're using a handle. Yeah, that's a keeper. And I'll say it is part number 56215. Well, let's see how this air over pneumatic works. Yep. Alright, she's a little bit off. So let's tighten up one strap. The strap that's going through here, we'll let it down and we'll tighten it up and we'll get her up off the ground so we can put the sawhorse underneath it. I like it. Okay. She's on the ground, on the blocks, supported, and safe, and ready. I'm gonna take her apart. Well, she's changed and she works, and I really like this. This really works. Now it's got a lock on it that you can lock it, and I don't know exactly why that's there on that, if you can see it. And basically that leaves it where it's hands-on free. So you can lock it on. And I don't understand why you would want to do that. If you guys know why, put it down there in the comments, because I don't have a clue why that's there. Anyways, so it works really, really well. And if you're by yourself and you need to yank one, you know, that could be really handy. Really, really, really handy. So I like it. And another thing is that it swivels. See? The actual, so you could get this anywhere around in the engine compartment. You need to get it so you get a hand on it when you need it. Awesome. I mean, now I will say that this was, basically the reason I got it is because it's the only two they had. They only had two like this. They didn't have just a regular replacement ram at the store when I went. So it was 40 bucks more. So it was $99 for that. But now that I've got it and now that I've used it, yeah, I like it a lot. So if you're still here, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell. Smash that like button. Tell your friends. Y'all have a great day. Because a great day today could be an even better day tomorrow. Y'all be good.